Hello all, my name is Bhuvaneshri and today I'm going to talk about the aggregate functions. These are the contents we are going to talk about. Why do we have to use these aggregate functions? So in order to perform the calculations on multiple rows of a single column of a table, we use these aggregate functions. Here are the most commonly used aggregate functions in SQL. In order to understand these better, I have considered a small table and named it as an employee table, which consists of rows and columns. So firstly, let's talk about the minimum function. The statement simply says that it is going to select the smallest value of our considered column. Here I have considered the salary column and hence it is going to take the smallest value and give it in the output. Now max value, it is going to take the highest value of our selected column. Here I have passed the statement as max of salary and hence it is going to take the salary column and gives the 90,000 as my output. So the sum function, it is going to add everything of our selected column. Here I have selected the salary column again and hence it is going to add everything and give the value in my output. Next, the average function, it is so similar like our mathematics. It is simply going to add everything by dividing it. So when I have selected the salary column, it is going to add everything and divide with it and gives us the value. Next, count function. This is the only function where we can use this symbol, which is asterisk. So if I use the select count of asterisk from EMP, I receive my output of as 5 because it is going to count everything and give me the output. For suppose I am going to consider the second table, which is employee ID and age. Now if I pass a query that select count of age from EMP, now this won't give me all the 5 values. It is going to give me 4 because we have a null value here. This null value is not going to count. So hence we'll receive the output as 4. So I conclude by telling that by using these aggregate functions, it is very time efficient, and with the help of these functions, we can work on huge amount of data and receive outputs quickly. Thank you for listening and let me know if you have any queries.